Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. It's a great time to be alive. I'm so happy to be here. And we're seeing that right now we have confirmation from Elon Musk that we're going to have the Doge tipping jar is going to be enabled on Twitter, guys. We've got confirmation. We're going to talk about that. And we're seeing that right now the sentiment for buy the dip is at an all-time high. So even though things are down, and we're going to talk about why the markets are down, and most of it is because the S&P 500 is down, down. And we're seeing that a lot of traders on Wall Street, they're being very, avoidance and very skittish out there. And what they're doing is they're dumping all of their tech stocks, guys. Absolutely dumping all the tech stocks. And from that perspective, most of the Wall Street traders, they also consider Bitcoin a tech stock. So that is why we're seeing Bitcoin also dump. Also, we had a whole bunch of leverage longs that got wrecked. We got the Debbie Downer bear in house, so it's a Debbie Downer day. He's out of there. So we got lots to talk about. Also, we're seeing some more and more evidence that this is a bottom, and we're going to be going uppity up from here, guys. So this is a great time to be alive. So if you love this channel, like I love you guys, don't forget to go down there, boop the likes, smash the likes, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to give super chats. And remember, everything you see here, none of this is financial advice. It's just the OG in the house expressing his opinion and absolutely not a licensed financial advisor. So if you love it, let's get it, guys. So let's jump into it. So right now, we can see right here, right now, as we go down the crypto rabbit hole to OG, that the pre-markets are looking pretty good. We're seeing that the NASDAQ futures is up 1% right now. We're seeing that the S&P is up almost 1%. And we're seeing right now the Dow futures is also up 1%. So this is pretty good. So hopefully, when the U.S. markets open, we're going to see some green machine happening. So guys and gals, let's hope that happens. And I'm pretty sure that we're probably going to see a little bit of green. So hopefully that will have some impact, and that will translate over to the crypto world, guys. So I love it. You guys should be loving it too, guys. So we're seeing right now for the first time that the fear and greed index is still at extreme fear. We haven't been here for almost a month right now. So this is the first time that we slip back into the extreme fear. Buy the fear, guys, buy the fear. So tomorrow I'm going to be buying the dip tomorrow. Thursday is my DCA day. So a lot of you out there have been asking, what am I going to be buying when it comes to be buying the dip? So I'm going to be buying Bitcoin. Remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm going to be buying Ethereum. I'm going to be buying DOT. I'm going to be buying Phantom. I'm going to be buying Avalanche, and I'm going to be buying Solana. I'm going to be picking up some more Doge, guys. So this is a great time to pick up some more Doge. So it's always a great time to pick up some Doge. I love the Doge. So let's take a look at the pre-markets. So the pre-markets are looking red, guys. The glare is blinding me. The glare is blinding me. I can't see. I'm blind. So we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is starting to come back. We should be, by the time the markets open and by the time you're watching this, hopefully we'll get ourselves above 39,000. So we're seeing a little bit of reversal coming in. It's not looking that good right now, but I think that by the time the U.S. markets open, we should start to see a little bit of green, a hint of green coming. And we're seeing that Ethereum is also below $3,000, and that is down, down. So this is also coming in right now. You can see that the daily on-chain flow, we're seeing that still is pretty positive. And this is today's on-chain flow. Today, not yesterday, not tomorrow, right now, live at you from Vietnam, guys. And we're seeing that the Bitcoin net flow is minus 168 million. So that is a positive sign. More Bitcoin is being bought. More Bitcoin is being taken off exchange. We're seeing the same thing for Ethereum as well. More Ethereum has been taking off exchanges, and we're seeing a minus 18.4 million. And also, too, we're seeing the net inflow of Tether onto exchanges is increasing, going uppity up. So this is pretty good. So what is the smart money doing right now? The smart money is buying the fear, guys. Absolutely buying the fear. And remember, a lot of people, a lot of crypto experts, they make the money not in the bull run, but when things go down. When things go down, this is the time to be making the money, because this is not financial advice, but this is when you buy the dips and absolutely hodl, because crypto's on sale. And if you guys don't believe me, you guys can see right here that the sentiment in the house for buy the dip, guys, buy the dip. You can see that the social sentiment and social volume for buy the dip is extremely high right now. It is huge. We have almost 111,000 in terms of social volume. So as the price goes down, the search term and the social sentiment for buy the dip is going uppity up, guys. So this is pretty cool news in the house. And we're seeing right now Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin hit by Wall Street risk aversion. So we're seeing a lot of Wall Street are risk averse right now, because we're seeing a lot of the tech stocks are dumping right now. Microsoft earnings were pretty good, but we saw the Alphabet earnings were just stinkier out there, and everything was down. We saw Tesla dumped 10%, and that was because the shareholders were skittish. and they thought that Elon Musk was going to take a loan against Tesla, and that drove the sentiment and the price down. So right now we're seeing that, Bitcoin reverse. What matters, what is really mattering right now. So Bitcoin and Ethereum is below the psychological level of 40,000 and 3,000. We know that. Bitcoin reversed lower, and aversion returned to Wall Street. So what the knuckleheads on Wall Street were doing is they were absolutely selling tech stocks. And they also think that Bitcoin is a tech stock, as I said earlier. Russia suspends gas supplies to Poland. That sent risky assets down, like Bitcoin and other things, and we're seeing that it's gone down sharply and lower and lower and lower. So it looks like the Ruskies are cutting off the gas to Poland, so that's not pretty good. And also the other thing, we're seeing that the dollar DXY, which is a basket compared to other currencies out there, it is hitting its high, guys. So we're going to talk about that. As the DYX hits its high, often we hit a triple high, and when that happens, we often see that it will come down from there. And when we see the DXY come down, which is a dollar compared to a basket of other currencies out there, we're definitely going to see, and we will see, and have seen before, and I'm going to show you that in a couple of minutes, that we're going to see an explosion to the upside. So that's pretty cool beans. Keep watching, guys. We still have to cover the story of Elon Musk. He bought Twitter, but we're also going to show you in the house confirmation, absolutely confirmation out there that Elon Musk says yes, 100% to the Dogecoin tipping jar on Twitter. So that's bullish news to the Dogecoin community. So you can see another tweet from Sentiment. Social interest in buying the dip has skyrocketed after crypto latest pullback. The S&P 500 correction is not working in favor of the cryptocurrency sector, as the crowd fear will play a large part in the two markets breaking apart from one another. So we're seeing that there's a lot of fear, and because there's a whole bunch of fear on the broader markets, that's kind of spilled over to crypto, and particularly the retail investors, the weak hands, the paper hands have all wet the bed, and they've left. So what is driving crypto right now is the whales. The smart money is still buying the fear. You should be buying the fear. It's not financial advice. Don't forget, if you're loving this content like I'm loving you guys, don't forget to boop the like, subscribe, YB in the house, guys, and the boop the like looks like that. And don't forget to comment, guys. You can comment more than once. Absolutely, you want to comment more than once. And guys and gals, don't forget to give super chats. I would really appreciate it. So this is also coming in. We're seeing BTC ready for a huge bounce, guys. So we're seeing that BTC has retested this current level, and retest and ascending historical support, and we should be seeing on the 2-week time frame, we should be seeing BTC starting to explode. So if you take a look at BTC right now, you can see that Bitcoin is still above my descending channel, my descending triangle, and it's still at the apex and getting ready to break out, guys. And we still got some really good support around about 39,000. So right now we're back above 39,000. So you see, the OG, I'm pumping the Bitcoin right now. I'm pumping the Bitcoin. So that's pretty cool beans in the house. So we're going to get back up to 40,000. This has just been a nothing burger in the house, because 24 hours ago we were here. We were actually lower 24 hours ago than where we are now. So this is nothing to be really worried about in the house, guys. So this is also for Tina Alice. Bitcoin new intraday bull run signal. Yeah, bull run signal. A historical bull run market is about to start, guys. And if you take a look at the 2-week time frame, again, you can see that overall we hit the bottom here, boom, chakalaka. Hit the bottom here, boom, we went up. To hit the bottom here, boom, and we had this new intraday signal here. We had one here, here, and here, and this is often measured and indicates that we're going to be going up out there, guys. So get it. You, wake up, guys. Smell the coffee. Don't panic. Absolutely do not panic. And a historical bull run is about to start. Believe it, guys. Absolutely believe it. This is probably going to be your last opportunity to be buying the BTC under $40,000. Woohoo! Oh yeah, guys. So keep on watching. We still got the Elon Musk and Twitter jar confirmation. So dollar coming into the danger zone. The moon or goblin town will be coming. So as I told you, as the DXY hits these highs, we often see that Bitcoin correlates with a pump, guys. So when the DXY hits this top, it often drastically does a reversal to the downside. And when the DXY does a reversal to the downside, we often see Bitcoin pump. And when Bitcoin pumps, we know that Dogecoin is going to pump. We know the old coins are going to pump. And we know that you are going to be excited. You're going to be happy out there. So this is a great time to be alive. Woohoo! So the next tweet that's coming in right now, we can see once again, planned moon, guys. So we can see that we are still, if we follow the Elliott wave pattern, we're still in the accumulation zone. And once we break out of this accumulation zone, we should be seeing $100,000 incoming by June, guys. So this is absolutely, absolutely, absolutely huge, guys. So it's right there in front of your eyes. You cannot miss it. I cannot miss it. You cannot miss it. So wake up and smell the coffee, guys. So right now, for the Dogecoin price, we're seeing that right now, Dogecoin right now, let me just refresh this. Dogecoin right now has touched 1450, which is our support line, and right now Doge is trading at 1418. So we're going to get ourselves back up there. We got a little bit of rejection going on, but I still believe that once we have this Dogecoin tipping jar, which we're going to talk about in a minute, this is going to send the Dogecoin up another 30%, and that is going to be huge. That is going to be absolutely bullish in the house, and that should take Dogecoin up and over 20 cents, guys. So get ready, buckle up. It's going to be a moonshot. Can you smell? Can you smell the rocket fuel, guys? So get ready, get your spacesuits, guys. So this is just coming in right now. You guys can see right here that we are 100% confirmed that Elon Musk is confirming. So we have this from Steve Steele, and he said one of the biggest things that Elon Musk needs to do is turn on the Twitter tipping jar for Dogecoin. And Elon Musk replied, 100%, hell yeah, brother. So this is really good news in the house. So Elon Musk is definitely thinking about Dogecoin, loving the Dogecoin. And the reason that Dogecoin and Elon Musk bought Twitter was it was a strategic move because he knows that Dogecoin is going to be the cryptocurrency of the future, the cryptocurrency of planet Earth. And we got the Dogecoin radios that's going to allow the bankless in developing countries to use Dogecoin as a currency of transaction worldwide, guys. It's coming. It's just a matter of time, guys. Can't you see and can't you understand that the dominoes are coming and everything's falling into place? Next is going to be the Dogecoin tipping jar, and then we're going to have the other trifecta part, which is going to be Tesla accepting Doge for payment, guys. So this is huge, guys, absolutely huge. So there it is. It's confirmed that Elon Musk has confirmed 100% that he will be turning on the Dogecoin tipping jar. This is breaking, guys, absolutely breaking news. You love it. I love it. Smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes, guys. It's great news to be alive. So right now we can see that the Shiba Inu right now is also up. Right now it's up at 23.46, so it's looking pretty good. And Shiba Inu right now on the daily time frame is up around about 2%. So that's looking pretty good for the Shiba army out there. If you take a look at the leverage traders right now in the house, so right now we're seeing that $358 million worth of leverage traders have been wrecked out there, and that's about 94,000 traders have been wrecked, guys. And we're seeing that most of it on the 4-hour time frame is longs. We're seeing on the 24-hour time frame it's longs. Let me just give this a minute to refresh, guys. Let me just refresh it one more time. So right now, let's just hit that again, and we're seeing that 358 million traders have been wrecked. That's correct. And we're seeing right now on the 24-hour time frame it's longs. We're seeing on the 12-hour time frame it's longs. We're seeing on the 4-hour time frame it's shorts, guys. So that is why we're going to be seeing Bitcoin price moving to the upside. If we see the accumulation on a 1 hour, it's also shorts, guys. So that is pretty good. So you're going to see in the next 24 hours that the Bitcoin is going to flip because the leverage traders are now starting to short the biddy, and that's going to create a short squeeze, and that's going to push up the price of Bitcoin. That's going to push up the price of all the altcoins, and we're going to be going to the moon, guys. Get ready for the moonshot, guys. The moonshot, guys. So this is really interesting, great news now. But you can see here on the 24-hour basis, we can see that mainly it's been longs have got wrecked, and that's what has caused the Bitcoin price to go down. You know, that in conjunction with the extreme fear, that in conjunction with the Wall Street traders, you know, dumping their tech stock, that in conjunction with Russia turning off the gas to Poland, and that is why we saw the big, huge dumpity dump. But the pre-markets are looking pretty good. You love it. I love it. Let's get it right now. Woo! So let's take a look at Bitcoin right now. Once again on the 4-hour chart, and we have broken above 39,000. So that's pretty positive in the house. If we take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly, we're still trading in our green horizontal support line, so that is pretty good, and we're trading at 39,000 and some change. So as long as we stay in this horizontal box, I'm not panicking. I'm going to be accumulating. This is a huge accumulation zone for me. I'm going to be dollar cost averaging, buying some more biddy, witty. Tomorrow is biddy time, and you're going to love it. I'm going to love it. Take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is also making some move to the upside, so that's pretty good, and it's moving in conjunction with Bitcoin, and that's up about 3.3% right now. So that's looking pretty good. And right now we're seeing that also the Phantom in the house is just gingerly below $100. So even though, you know, Bitcoin has been going up and down, it's been range bound, it's been between like 38 and 39,000, we're still seeing that Phantom is holding strong at 99 cents. And that $1 is very tough support, like the Berlin Wall, like the China Wall. We love it, you love it. So it's been pretty good. I've been accumulating a lot of Phantom around this level, and there's been a lot of accumulation around the 99 cents. So that is why people are loving the Phantom. That's why the Phantom is staying strong. So right now we're seeing that Solana as well is just below $100 support level. That's why I'm not changing the $100 support level to red, because Phantom has also been doing pretty good as well for the past 3 days, staying around this level, even though Bitcoin has been, you know, range bound between 38 and 39,000. We're seeing right now, we're still seeing that Phantom out there is still looking pretty strong and pretty marvelous and pretty miraculous out there. So right now, let's take a look at the total market cap. Let me give this a minute. Refresh in the house, guys. So hopefully you're loving this content. Boot the likes, smash the likes, show some love. Super chats will be much appreciated. So we're seeing the total market cap right now is about 185 trillion. We're seeing that the volume is about almost 68 billion in the house, guys. We're seeing that also Bitcoin dominance right now is about 40.30 in the house, so that's pretty good. But we definitely need the Bitcoin dominance to come down, and if it does come down, so we're going to see the altcoins absolutely sing, guys. So we're seeing right now that overall, even though Bitcoin is recovering, it's doing a lot better than where it was doing about 6 or 7 hours ago. And we're seeing that right now we're only down about 3.28%. We were down more than 5% earlier. So we can see that, you know, as these longs convert to shorts, we're going to see a little bit more of the sentiment being positive. And also, too, one of the reasons that Bitcoin didn't slam down to 37,000 and below is because we had a lot of people buying the dippy dips, guys. You can see the social sentiment right here, that this is buy the dips. People have been buying the dips, guys. So this is pretty good news. We're seeing that right now, we're seeing Ethereum is down only 3%, with earlier was down about 5.64%. So it's coming back, guys. We're seeing that right now, BNB is down 2%. We're seeing Solana is only down about 0.7%. So it's going to flip green soon. And hopefully we'll see ourselves going above the $100 mark. So that's going to be pretty cool. We're seeing Luna as well is underperforming right now. It's not performing as well as Bitcoin, and it's down almost 7%. It's at 89 bucks in the house. Avalanche is also starting to recover now. It's about 70 bucks. And we're seeing that Dogecoin is down 12%, guys. So a lot of the gains that we did make, Dogecoin is slowly bleeding it out, guys. So hopefully we'll get the reversal coming soon. And guys and gals, if you're holding Dogecoin, do not panic sell, because if you panic sell, it's just going to send Dogecoin tumbling down, guys. So don't be a Debbie Downer. Don't wet the bed. Hold, guys. Hold, and wait for life-changing wealth. It's not financial advice. Don't forget to boop the likes, guys. You love it. I love it. So with that being said, guys, do not forget to go and follow me on Twitter. Follow, and show some love. Once again, boop the likes. And don't forget to go and check out the links. Get the links. Buy the channel a coffee if you'll be so kind. Check out the NFT collection, guys, and become a Patreon member. The links are down below of the video, guys. Get it. And once again, don't forget to check out the merch, guys. We got the mug, we got the cap, we got the backpack, we got a pillow, willow. We also got t-shirts. We got all sorts of stuff, guys. So get it, guys. So things are not looking too bad, guys. So go and show some love. Boot the likes. I love you guys, and this channel wouldn't be possible without all of my peeps, all of my beautiful people out there. I love you. You love me. Guys, show the love, and please call to action. Take this video link, copy, paste it, send it out there. Send it out to everyone. Get the message out there for the OG. Go with God. Be with God. God bless each and every one of you out there. Woo!